Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Bigvita Scalp Serum. Let's go. So we have today is the Bigvita Scalp Serum, which is a lightweight leave-in treatment designed to nourish the scalp and support healthier looking hair. So after 30 days of consistent daily use, many users notice a noticeable improvement in scalp comfort. Dryness, itchiness, and irritation tend to calm down and the scalp feels softer and healthier. However, as expected with short-term use, visible hair regrowth or significant increases in hair thickness are rare. Most users do not see dramatic changes in shedding or new hair growth within a month, which aligns with the understanding that hair growth cycle requires longer periods to respond to tropical instruments. So the serum is convenient and soothing, but it has limitation. The bottle may run out faster than anticipated, and some users report difficulties claiming advertised guarantees. So while the serum delivers on hydration and scalp relief, it should not be viewed as a quick solution for hair thinning or loss.